According to our current Big Data Protocol price prediction, the value of Big Data Protocol is predicted to rise by 67.79% and reach $0.574787 by March 8, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 50, neutral. Big Data Protocol recorded 50% green days with 39.87% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Big Data Protocol forecast, it's now a good time to buy Big Data Protocol. Comparing Big Data Protocol against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Big Data Protocol price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Big Data Protocol price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, BDP price prediction for year 2026 is $1.106456 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Big Data Protocol would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $0.126928. Fibonacci pivot point studies highlight prices considered to be a likely turning point when looking at values from a previous period, whether it be daily, weekly, quarterly or annual. Each pivot point study has its own characteristics on how these points are calculated. The formula applied for the Fibonacci pivot points is pivot point, P, equals, high plus low plus close / 3 support 1, S1, equals P. 382, high, low support 2, S2, equals P. 618, high, low support 3, S3, equals P. 1, high, low resistance 1, R1, equals P plus. 382, high, low resistance 2, R2, equals P plus. 618, high, low resistance 3, R3, equals P plus. 1, high, low. It's of paramount importance to new and experienced traders to find the best support and resistance levels. Traders widely use pivot levels to understand the current price trends. Combining pivot levels with Fibonacci ratios enables traders to identify strong support and resistance levels. Fibonacci pivots indicator provides stop loss and multiple take profit points, it allowing the trader to trail the markets once the trend is established. Most traders start the day by identifying support and resistance levels and then use other indicators to validate them. The Fibonacci pivot level indicator for MT4 helps the traders find the best support and resistance levels automatically. Promotion identifying the potential trend for the day is another essential task. Pivot points are calculated using the previous day's high, low, and closing values and dividing by 3. If prices are below the last day's pivot level, then the trend is deemed to be bearish. Intraday traders tend to look for bullish price action if the current price stays above the pivot level. New and experienced traders highly appreciate Fibonacci numbers and their effectiveness in forex trading. Traders use Fibo numbers are applied to the pivot point to derive the best support and resistance levels. Also in trading, market players use Fibonacci ratios of 38.2, 61.8 and 76.4 to calculate 3 different resistance and support levels. How to trade the Fibonacci pivots indicator for MetaTrader. Promotion: if the price crosses the pivot level to the upside, then a buy position is initiated. The resistance R1, R2, and R3 form the take profit targets of profit 1, 2, and 3, respectively. Traders may look to partial book profits at these levels. A stop loss is placed below the support S1. If the price moves to R1, the stops can be moved to break even. If the price continues to advance and hit R2, then the stop can be moved to R1 and then moved to R2 and R3 as the price moves further. Below is the formula for calculating the pivot point and support and resistance levels. Pivot equals previous high plus previous low plus previous close / 3 resistance 1 equals pivot plus previous high previous low. 0.382 support 1 equals pivot previous high previous low. 0.382 resistance 2 equals pivot plus previous high previous low. 0